Have you ever wondered how a pacemaker keeps a heart beating rhythmically? Today we're diving into the mechanics of this life-saving device. Before we explore pacemakers, let's understand the heart's natural electrical system that controls its beat. The heart's natural pacemaker is the sinoatrial node, or SA node, which generates the electrical impulse that makes your heart contract and pump blood. If the SA node fails, or the electrical signals are blocked, the heart rate can become too slow or irregular, a condition called bradycardia, which prevents the body from getting enough blood. This is where an artificial pacemaker comes in. But what exactly is this device? A pacemaker is a small device implanted under the skin, designed to send electrical impulses to the heart muscle to maintain a proper heart rate and rhythm. It consists of two main parts: the pulse generator, which contains the battery and electronic circuitry, and the leads, which are insulated wires that connect the generator to the heart muscle. Now, let's explore the two primary functions that allow a pacemaker to regulate the heartbeat. The first function is, quote, sensing. The leads continuously monitor the heart's electrical activity. If the heart beats normally, the pacemaker remains quiet. The second function is, quote, pacing. If the pacemaker detects a heartbeat that is too slow or misses a beat, it delivers a small electrical impulse to stimulate the heart muscle to contract. Most modern pacemakers are rate responsive or on demand, meaning they only pace when necessary. Fixed-rate pacemakers, on the other hand, deliver impulses at a constant rate, regardless of the heart's natural rhythm. The procedure to implant a pacemaker is generally routine, performed by a cardiac surgeon or cardiologist. The implantation typically involves making a small incision near the shoulder, guiding the leads through a vein to the heart, and connecting them to the pulse generator. The pulse generator is usually placed just beneath the skin near the collarbone, making it easily accessible for checks and battery replacement. Pacemakers are categorized based on the number of leads they use and the heart chambers they stimulate. There are single-chamber pacemakers, which use one lead, dual-chamber, using two, and biventricular pacemakers, which use 3 leads to coordinate contractions in both ventricles for patients with heart failure. Pacemakers are a marvel of medical technology, providing essential support for millions with heart rhythm disorders. By regulating the heart rate, pacemakers alleviate symptoms like dizziness and fatigue and significantly reduce the risk of complications, leading to a much improved quality of life. While living with a pacemaker requires some adjustments, with regular checkups and maintenance, individuals can lead full, active, and healthy lives.